Volera NMN Bone Complex is marketed as a bone health supplement that supposedly strengthens bones and combines NMN with other nutrients to promote long-term skeletal health. But the real question is, does it actually support bone health, or is it another supplement making big promises? Now, to be fair, certain nutrients are genuinely important for bone health. Ingredients such as calcium, vitamin D, vitamin K, magnesium, and protein all play established roles in maintaining healthy bones. What it does well may provide bone-supporting nutrients. If the formula contains key vitamins and minerals, it could help support normal bone maintenance, could help address nutritional gaps. Some people do not get enough bone-related nutrients through diet alone, where the hype falls apart. There is limited evidence that NMN directly strengthens bones. This is the biggest issue. While NMN is a popular ingredient, the evidence supporting major bone health benefits in humans remains limited. It is unlikely to dramatically increase bone density. Most supplements produce modest effects at best unless a specific nutrient deficiency is being corrected. Bone health depends on many factors. Age, genetics, hormones, exercise, nutrition, and medical conditions all influence bone strength. So, does Volera NMN Bone Complex actually support bone health? Short answer: it may provide nutritional support for bone health, but there is little evidence that it delivers dramatic bone strengthening effects or that NMN alone is a game changer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.